All right, well, I suppose the first thing to do would be to go to Foobar2000.org and download the Foobar2000 and install that. And then in order to get this Now Simply Playing, you'd have to download the Now Playing Simple from here. It's really pretty simple how to do this. Really simple. You just take this right here, copy it, or cut it, or do whatever the fuck you want with it, and then go wherever you have Foobar installed, and I think it installs in the 32-bit folder by default. You go to Foobar2000, then do components. Right here is where you're going to paste the that driver, and I don't want to do it because I already have it. Let's see, Foo Now Plain Simple right there. Then you make a text file on your desktop or wherever you want to put it, right here, like I already have it, and name it whatever the fuck you want. It don't matter what the hell you name it. But anyway, you put that on your desktop, and then you open up Foobar2000. You got to make sure it's closed before you put that driver in their folder, by the way. Go to preferences, go to, you should have under tools, you should have a simple Now Playing, and then just take with this, maybe I'll just copy and paste it, but somewhere, so you can just copy and paste it into here. But this is what you want to do, and then you make sure you have this check save to file, and then you do the browse, and you obviously look for the file, which is right here, wherever you put it. And yeah, and then pretty much that's how it's going to look on your stream right here. Is it shows you this is like a preview. So, oh, and make sure you have the UTF-8 with header selected. Otherwise, some of the songs aren't going to show up. It's pretty simple, right? Then you go to your OBS, like so, and go to wherever you're at, and then add a text GDI, and then you name it whatever the fuck you want, and then read from file right here, browse to the file, desktop, Foo Now Playing, bam, there you go. Select whatever font you want. I have all these fonts because I went and downloaded them from Google Fonts and other places where you can get fonts. You can get fonts for free anywhere and just install them on your computer. But that's how I got all these different kind of fonts that I use. And, you know, do all your whatever alterations, whatever, and bam, there you go. And now you have your Foo Now Playing, your whatever song is playing right there on your OBS. Pretty simple.